Franklin is just home. My baby, who was a first grader here, learned how to walk in these hallways.
So much love is here. It's hard to explain.
We just really accepted.
Franklin for me is community. Franklin for me is family. Franklin is Tacoma, and I don't know what I would do without it.
We are having our Franklin Open House, which happens every year. We're taking the time to really get to know our families and hear from them directly in a way that's more personal than a survey or some sort of fill-in-the-blank form. We learn from our families what they love, what they value, what their hopes and dreams are, and also what their needs are and perspectives are. What are your hopes and dreams for your children?
I think I just want them to choose what they want and what they love and follow their passions and be whoever and whatever they're going to be.
My hope as a parent is they don't have to work as hard as I do. Be better people than I ever was.
Franklin has been pivotal in our life in supporting his hopes and dreams. His fascination for art started in Miss Glacken-Coley's class, and then it blossomed from there.
How can we support you, your family, support your children for their dreams?
More homework. I think they get off a little easier, but I also understand that there's a shift in mentality of what schoolwork and how school should be ran.
I think what's important is that everyone in the building, no matter age, just supports our kids with where they're at. I think all schools need to be better about listening to what our kids have to say and not just expecting results from them.
How can we build community at Franklin for you and your family?
That's a tough question because I've been to so many communities. I like what you guys have here. My kids are happy and they enjoy seeing their friends. This is the first time, when my kids went home to visit Virginia, they were excited to come back. They were so happy. They're like, I get to see Miss Maeve, I get to see Miss King, I get to see my friends.
I think what you guys are doing is great. I think there's a lot of communication, which is the key for any community, within a school system.
After my husband's car accident a couple years ago, I remember coming here from the hospital and I had called out of work that day. My kids were both in class. I laid in the staff lounge and took a nap. And I woke up, I had a pillow under my head, I had a blanket over my body, everybody was leaving me be. And then Angela sat down and helped me tell my kids about my husband's accident. And I don't feel like there's a lot of places you can do something like that. I couldn't be at the hospital anymore. And I couldn't go home and sit in pity by myself. I needed to be where my babies were, and they were here.
I love everything about Franklin, but the biggest thing that I love about Franklin is the sense of community. I've been at Franklin now for 7 years.
Yep, it's okay.
My son's been here since he was 3.5 years old. The teaching staff have been with me through separation, through court, through family court. They've been with me through trying to figure out how we're going to integrate him. They've seen William go from nonverbal to verbal. This is my second family. Sorry. Franklin means a lot to me.